Lexington, SC, boasts a beautiful southern climate with hot summers, mild winters, and a fair amount of humidity year-round. While this climate makes the area an appealing place to live, it also presents unique challenges when it comes to home maintenance, especially window replacements. Choosing the right windows for your home can enhance energy efficiency, improve comfort, and even protect against the elements. Here's what you need to know about Lexington's climate and how it should influence your window replacement choices. Understanding Lexington, SC's climate. Lexington experiences a humid subtropical climate, which means homeowners face a mix of high temperatures, humidity, occasional severe storms, and mild winters. The primary climate-related factors affecting window choices include hot summers, with average highs reaching the mid to upper 90s in July and August. Keeping your home cool is essential. Humidity. The moisture in the air can lead to condensation and potential window damage over time. Mild winters. While temperatures do drop in the winter, they remain relatively mild compared to northern regions. Storms and rainfall. Lexington experiences significant rainfall, especially in the summer months, and occasional severe weather events like thunderstorms and even hurricanes. These climate factors directly impact the type of windows best suited for homes in the area. Best window features for Lexington's climate. When replacing windows in Lexington, SC, homeowners should consider features that provide energy efficiency, durability, and protection against humidity and storms. Below are some crucial window elements to consider. Energy-efficient glass. Because summers in Lexington can be particularly hot, windows that help reduce heat transfer are a smart investment. Look for low emissivity glass. This type of glass helps reflect heat, keeping indoor temperatures more stable. Double or triple pane windows. These provide better insulation compared to single pane windows, reducing cooling costs. Argon or krypton gas fills. These gases are inserted between panes to improve insulation and prevent heat transfer. Durable window frames. The material of your window frame significantly impacts performance, especially in a humid climate. Some of the best choices include vinyl, low maintenance, cost-effective, and resistant to moisture damage. Fiberglass, strong, energy-efficient, and durable against extreme weather conditions. Wood, with aluminum or vinyl cladding. While wood is a great insulator, it is susceptible to moisture. Choosing a composite or clad wood frame can offer the best of both worlds, insulation with added durability. Impact-resistant and storm-proof windows. Lexington's storm season can bring heavy winds and rain. Homeowners may want to consider impact-resistant windows that can withstand strong storms and help protect their home from flying debris. Laminated glass is a great option as it holds together even when shattered. Proper ventilation and moisture control. Given Lexington's high humidity, proper ventilation in windows is crucial to prevent condensation buildup, which can lead to mold or mildew issues. Windows with built-in weep holes or ventilation latches help promote air circulation, keeping moisture levels balanced. Choosing the right window style. Beyond materials and efficiency, the style of your window can also impact performance and aesthetics. Some of the most suitable window types for Lexington's climate include double-hung windows. These allow for excellent ventilation, reducing humidity buildup inside your home. Casement windows. These seal tightly when closed, providing enhanced energy efficiency. Sliding windows. Easy to operate and allow for ample fresh air circulation. Picture windows. These are fixed and energy efficient, perfect for homes prioritizing insulation over ventilation. The benefits of upgrading your windows in Lexington, SC. Replacing your windows with climate-appropriate options can provide numerous benefits, including lower energy bills. Energy-efficient windows reduce heating and cooling costs. Increased home comfort. Improved insulation keeps indoor temperatures stable year-round. Better home protection. Impact-resistant windows enhance security against storms and break-ins. Enhanced curb appeal. New windows improve the overall aesthetic of your home. Final thoughts. Invest in the right windows for Lexington's climate. Choosing the right windows for your home in Lexington, SC, is essential for energy efficiency, durability, and comfort. Given the region's hot summers, high humidity, and occasional storms, homeowners should prioritize energy-efficient glass, durable frames, and proper ventilation when selecting replacement windows. Investing in the right windows today can lead to long-term savings, increased home value, and a more comfortable living environment. If you're considering a window replacement, consult with a local window expert who understands Lexington's climate and can help you select the best options for your home. By making an informed choice, you'll enjoy the benefits of high-quality, weather-appropriate windows for years to come.